Hello folks. Today I will talk about how you can create a live streaming app with ZEGOCLOUD. So I will give you detail about how you can create a video app or live conferencing tool or video conferencing tool using ZEGOCLOUD. So before moving forward, what you must know. So these are the prerequisites. So you must know this HTML, CSS to create the layout, and you must know any framework. So here in this video, I have used Angular framework, and uh, here also you must know about the Zero Cloud Console dashboard. So from this dashboard, you can create a project and get other details of the project. Means after you create a project, then you will get to know about the other things that you need to configure in the project, like app ID, server URL. So you need all these things, app ID and server URL. And in this video, I have used Angular framework. So and the package that you need to use here is npmi Zero Express Engine Web RTC. So with this, you can easily create your streaming app. So let me tell you what are the features of this Zego Cloud. So with the ZegoCloud APIs, you can create a live streaming app or video conferencing tool and reach millions of people globally. Like you can implement any use case in your app, like shopping, game streaming, fitness, live class. You can create any type of app with this SDK. So this comes with the SDK and UI kit. So you can use any method according to your implementation. You can try both those things, and it is fully customizable and easy to integrate. So you can easily integrate this SDK in your project, and it can create endless possibilities with future full featured live stream SDK and APIs. So here, what I'm going to do is I am creating a project using the Angular. So if this is a command to create a new project, ng new demo app, whatever the app name you want to. So after creating a application, you just need to install this package and PMI Zero Express Engine Web RTC. So as I already told you, means you have two options to create an app. So either you can use the UI kit or you can use SDK. So what is the basic flow of Zero Cloud? Let me show you that. So what you need to do, you just need to create an engine and then create a room. Then means this is a Zero Cloud engine that you must need to create before joining the room. So after that you can create a room and then you can publish your streams. Then you can subscribe, means on other uh, portals you can subscribe this stream. So these are the functions that we are going to use of that package that I told you. The create Zego Express engine option, check system require, login room options, and start publishing, start playing. So I will show you the code after giving you idea. So if you want to create this kind of this app, so you can sign up for the Zego Cloud, and you can get the 10,000 free minutes every month to make their app, to make your app. So and this is the official repo that you can also refer if you want to check any use case. If you want to check any code, you can check this repo to get the more understanding of the project code and how you can create your app. So let me move forward to the application. Here is how you can create your app also. So here what I have done, so as I already told you, I have installed a package which is Ego Express Engine Web RTC. So as you can see here, I have installed the package and imported in our project this Ego Express Engine. So let me show you. What we are going to build here. So we are going to build here this kind of project. So here what we have publish stream and we have play stream. So means here we are subscribing the stream and here we are playing the stream, our local stream. and means here in the one system we have this, and you can open the same URL in other system or other in other, so you can easily check there also. So let me show you code what I have done here. So as I told you, there are a few steps that we need to implement this. So here, what are the steps that I already told you? Let me show you over here. So here, what these are the basic steps that we need to do. Okay, for the this is for the coding perspective, and here let me show you about the UI also. So what we have done here. So firstly, there is option of system require create Zero Express engine option. So so here the first option is this create engine. So with this you will create an engine. Means here I have told you the simple steps, and means it is not necessary. These are the optional things. Means you can directly after login into a room, you can directly add the code of these things like create engine test compatibility. Then what? So here what I'm doing. So first thing is the create engine. Firstly they create an engine. Then second is they will check the compatibility. Means here this the utility to check this compatibility is this check system require. So here we use this check system require, and then we have this login room. Then we are this is a room ID that we created. Means and these are the users that can join this room with this ID. Means you can generate lots of IDs according to means whatever according to your requirement. And so here we are using this login room option. After that, what we are doing, so now what we are doing, we are going to publish our stream here. So this is the local stream that we are going to publish. Then after this we are playing this start play, and with this we can subscribe those string in the multiple in the other systems also, so they can easily subscribe this thing. So these are the basic 5 steps that we are going to follow here. And before moving to forward, I already told you what we like to integrate this Zero Cloud. You need the app ID and server URL. So from where you can get the server ID and URL. So from this console ZegoCloud.com dashboard. So this is a dashboard that you need to. So firstly, you need to open this Zero Cloud. So you need to open this Zero Cloud here. Then so here after this you need to create a project. You can create a project here, and after that you can create a project. Then so here I am using this demo project. So after creating a project, you will get all these details like project name, app ID, status, reason, time created, and app sign. So what are the things you needed here? You need the app ID to integrate the engine, and you need server URL to add it into the system. And if you want to temporarily generate the token, then you can generate token from here. So here you just need to pass a user ID, then you can easily create your token. Then you can only play the app. So this is the basic UI that I have created. You can I have added this code on the GitHub. You can take the reference from there also. And so here I just simply created the few blocks. uh, so I just created a few blocks here, so you can check it. So these are the blocks that I have. So first block is this room ID and room state. Then this is and second is this publish stream. And then we have publish stream. Then we have this play stream ID. So these are things that we have created here, and you can go through all those things. This is simple HTML that we have added, and in this so these are the basic requirement that we have here. So these are the buttons that we have added here. Now let's move to the code part. So firstly, what we have done here. So here you just need to pass your app ID, whatever the app ID you have, and then here you need to pass the server URL. So this is server URL that you get from the after you get the project. So this is server URL that you need to bind here. You need to bind here, and the app ID you need to update here. And after that, what you have. So here I have added the IDs and token. So you can remove that and update that. And here these are the stream IDs, these are the play stream ID. So these are the few properties that you must need to create before making this project. So as I show you here, so this is the means on the end unit you can also call this function, but if you want to go step by step, then you can do all those things. So as you can see here, if I click on the create engine, so I will move to the code after completing this showing you the setup. So here, if you click on the create engine, then it will create an engine. So this is our first step. So let me show you all those things one by one. So this is a create engine. So currently it is not working because I have not given my app ID. So here I need to give my app ID here, and then you enter server URL. So these are the properties you must need to define here, and so this app ID is very important. And after that, so let's see the steps. So let's follow the step one. What is the step one? So firstly, you need to create a Zero Express engine. So this will come in. This will come from the ZEGOCLOUD Express engine. So this is come from the library here. So as you can see here we have imported this uh, from this package. So as you can see here, it is from this package. So firstly, if our first step is to create this engine, then what we have to do, and if you have set it up this in the in here, then you can get the info of this app ID and server. And so first step is this. Now we move to second step. This is a create express engine. So this create engine, this function is getting called create Zero Express engine. Then what we have, the next step is to check the system requirement. System requirement means basically you need to check the video audio control. Means is the system has this video audio permission or not. So here we are checking the system requirement. So this is the second step that we have. So as you can see here, it is mentioned that test compatibility. So here we are testing the compatibility, and here we are passing the check system requirement. And then after that, what we have other checks also. So like uh, so here within the result we get all the things that we needed here, and if some permission is not allowed, then it will throw an error. So here this is second step that you need to follow. Then what we have, then move to the next third step. So step 3. So then after this you need to log in the room. So here you have defined some parameters already. So it is a room ID, it is a user ID, and it is a token. So to log in into the room, you must need all this information. So as you can see here, this function is getting called here on the login room option. So here they are checking all those things, and here they are logging into room, and here we are passing room ID, user ID, and token. So after passing all this information, then we have just a second. So here this is the second requirement thing, and this is the second requirement. So in these 5 steps, you can create your video conferencing tool, and then we have create Zero Express option. Now let's move to the step 4. So step 4 is so these are 3 steps. That first we create engine, then we check the compatibility, then we log in. Then we need to check the start publishing thing. So here what we need to pass. So as you can see here we need to check all these things. So here we are calling the start publishing method. So what we are doing in the start publishing. So here what we are here we are actually passing the stream ID and all these things, audio input, video input, audio, video, all these status we need to pass here. And so after that it is going to the start publishing stream. So here we have passed the stream ID and here we pass the configuration. So according to this configuration it will publish as a stream. It will publish as a stream. After that means here you can check all these things like mirror, camera switch and microphone switch. Then next step is after publishing the stream it will start playing the stream. So this is the picture that we are doing here. So here it is starting the stream. It will start playing the stream. So it means here we are subscribing that stream what that we have played. So here as you can see here we are passing this check video audio status, and then with that we can easily start playing the stream. Then these are the basic 5 steps that I already told you. So these are the things that I discussed just now. Means we have created an engine, we have created a room, we have started a stream, and we are subscribing the stream. So after that, if you want to log out from the room, then here we have added the reset button. So on the reset, what code is getting called? So as you can see here, on the reset we are calling this function. So here we are calling the logout function. So we are changing all those to the default things. So as you can see here in the logout room, we are logging out to log out from the room, and there are other things also. Stop publishing stream, stop playing. So these are the basic things that we are doing here. So this is a basic flow to create an application. And here one more thing, if you are means after creating an engine, you also need to check the you also need to update the event also. So these are some kind of callbacks. So here you will get the status, whatever the status it will show. So now, so this is the things that you must need to define in the create engine. This is a part of step one. And here this is a part of this is a part of step two, that we are configuring the requirements. Here we just getting the info. So this is the basic flow of the application. Now I will show you in the UI how it is working now currently. So let me just check one thing here. So let's see how it is working now. So this is our application. So here firstly I created engine. So as you can see here it is marked the green signal, means the engine created now. Now next step is we are checking the compatibility, means you can also check here also here call all those things. So for first step is to create engine. So we have created engine now, and this events this callbacks are getting called when you log in into the room. So these are the actions that performed here. So now let's move to the next step is to test compatibility. So we are checking the camera and audio video. So as you can see here, it is these things are set up here. All these things are showing here. So now let's move to the new second is this is the second step. Now let's move to that. Now let's log into the room. So here now we have logged in into the room. So as you can see, after login to room, it has running this init event. As you can see that we created in the step one. So it is connecting. Now it is connected. As you can see here. So it has updated the room state update. So it has updated the room status now. So now let's move to the next part. So here we are publishing the stream now. So here you need to whatever the configuration you want to check. So according to your configuration, you can start publishing the stream. So if I publish the stream now, so as you can see here, it has started publishing the stream. So it is my video is coming here now. So this is playing, and in the console you can see here. In the console it has changed the event publisher state update. So here it is publishing the stream here now. So as you can see here in this object what we created, we are updating this stream ID. Whatever the stream ID we are playing now. So this is the stream ID double one that we have passed here, and this is passed to the other people. So they so state what they are doing publishing. So here we have this is the publisher info ID that we have passed here. So here we are publishing the stream now. Now let's move to the last step. So this is the currently system published here. Now we are streaming this to some other place. So here it has started the start. So now as you can see here, this stream is coming, playing this. So this is the live stream that you are seeing now currently now. This is a live stream, so audience can watch this video. So this is the message. So you can see here, event is changed now. So now the event is playing. So as you can see here, it has updated the event to the player state update. So here, so after updating the stream, so you will be getting the playing screen. So you will get that time. So with that, you can easily create your principle. So thanks guys for watching. And if you also want to create your application, then sign up now and get 10,000 premiums every month with this cloud. Thanks guys for watching.